First of all, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good. Ready to win some Michael Kors glasses.
Really?
Yeah.
So you want to be a part of this contest? It doesn't count. Yeah. It doesn't count.
It does count.
Hi, you guys. How are you all doing today? I'm awake, but I'm not.
Well, I mean, I'm a subscriber.
At least I should be at this. So you feel like you have an entitlement? No.
Yeah.
Bleep her out.
No.
Okay. Like I said, I'm up, but I'm not. Today, I'm decided. Sorry, I'm like stuttering. Woo, woo, woo. Okay. I wanted to do the spicy chicken.
The spicy chicken nuggets.
Yes, from Wendy's.
As you see here.
I love me some Wendy's chicken nuggets, and I love their chicken sandwiches.
I prefer.
And so I've never had the spicy nuggets though.
I prefer the Wendy's chicken nuggets over the McDonald's ones.
Actually, yes, that does make sense. I was told that they have had them before. I didn't know anything about it, so I wanted to give it a try. And I also got some of the jalapeno. Hold on, first of all, let me take the lid off because that would make sense. But I hope everybody's doing good today. I hope everything is going lovely, lovely, lovely on this Tuesday afternoon. If I can get this lid off.
Those are the cheesy bacon.
Jalapeno bacon fries.
I keep forgetting those.
If you guys can see them, I'm hoping you can see them. First of all, chicken sandwich. Got a couple of the doubles. I'm so glad I didn't call them McDoubles. We got a couple of the burgers. Is it called the double decker burger?
I think.
See, I'm not even quoting it right. And some fries. We got a couple of fries here. And it'll be my first time trying the spicy chicken nuggets because, like I said, I didn't even know they had them.
Here you go. You want to try first?
Well, let me get a sauce. And then we got some
Sweet and sour?
some peach lemonade. I haven't tried their peach lemonade yet either.
What flavor is this?
It's the same.
Oh.
Normally, when I get
There's a lot of pulp in this. Doesn't matter.
really, is it?
Yeah.
Normally, when I get Wendy's, I get the regular chicken nuggets because I love the regular chicken nuggets. Like I said, I didn't even know the spicy ones existed, and I normally get the spicy chicken sandwich. That's my fave too. I normally have it with the sweet and sour sauce, and I always get the honest green tea or just regular lemonade. So the peach tea, when I seen it on the website, I wanted to order it because I did this by like mobile order. And I know we got some barbecue sauce, some sweet and sour sauce. I don't see the ranch. Do you see any ranch?
No, I didn't see it.
There should have been some ranch.
But we got a lot of ketchup. We got like 5 handfuls. There's still more ketchup in there. More ketchup packets. And let me just say for the record, my big butt was super excited. Only because they're. Let me try it. I haven't even tried it yet. I'm just talking about it and I haven't tried it. I was excited only because I was hungry. I hadn't eaten anything today yet. Since this is mine, Seems like you get the
I'm
kick.
gonna double dip. It's a kick to it.
Yeah.
And it's still just as good as the regular ones to me.
Not as spicy, but it's good.
Seems like you really taste the spice like after.
I like it. I like it. It's the regular ones, but with a kick to it. You have a kick to it. It's good. I guess you guys before me who did this would know that already. Y'all would know, but it's good. But like I said, I was told that they had been out before, and I never knew about them. Oh, and then I got the jalapeno fries, which is about to light me up. Oh my gosh.
Maybe in one video we should do like a Q&A. But our subscribers get to ask us questions.
Right. We did a Q&A with Tequila Sunrise on, via phone in our fried chicken mukbang. But if you guys want to do a Q&A with us yourselves, put your questions down in the comments, and in the next video I will do that. It's not bad.
It's not as spicy.
No, I'm talking
lemonade
about
is good,
the
too.
lemonade. It's not bad. But yeah, we'll answer your questions if you have any, and put them in the comment section. And it was something that I wanted to talk to you guys about, but I'm trying to remember what it was.
Maybe is there how many views or likes? Money made?
I don't remember what it was. Give me a sec. I'm getting a napkin. What was it about? I got so distracted just now. Anyway, we'll skip it and come back to it because that was too long of a pause. I want to say that lately my favorite my favorite YouTubers right now that, let me come back to that because I completely forgot what it was I was going to say a little while ago. Ugh, completely oblivious. But I want to say that there's been quite a few people or YouTubers lately. You guys are awesome. And I commend you because you guys have got to be putting in the most craziest amount of effort and work for a lot of what I've seen. You have my top favorite one right now.
Be Love?
Be Love is one of my top favorites. She is one of my top favorites.
Which YouTuber did you get inspiration from?
Who inspired me? That's a good question. Which YouTube inspired me to want to do mukbangs? Oh, wow. I'd have to say Nikado Avocado. If I'm saying your name wrong, oh my gosh, and you ever come across this little video Because I'm just one little small blurb in the big world of YouTube. He's so dope. Like, he's so dope. And, B-Love is so dope. Her kids are dope. Her husband is dope. They're like, I like all of them. What was really inspiring was they keep the same energy no matter what. And if you were in any profession, any line of work, because let's face it, what you guys are doing is work. And if you're in any line of work, can you imagine that on some days it could be hard, and you still have to get up and you still have to have that energy, and you still got to just be ready to bust through and to your audience and make them feel some type of way, and y'all are giving it. Y'all are really giving that energy. Like, I commend you for it. I am actually inspired by that, and you guys have such hard work that recently I seen Mr. Avocado. I'm gonna call him Mr. Avocado because I feel like I'm saying his name wrong. He had just got a new apartment, and the apartment was dope, and then B-Love had just got like this new house for her family, and the house was awesome. It was just but it wasn't even the type of homes they had that was more inspiring so much. It was the fact that you knew that they literally put in the work for it. And anybody who like denounces that or says that doing this kind of thing is not work,
if you see that they're actually
you guys
and putting
oh my gosh
effort to it, and
there's people who will actually say, oh, well, all you're doing is sitting there eating.
That doesn't take any
which, by the way,
all.
this is delicious. I think eating is just a part of it. It's just a part of it. As I've been doing my homework, and as I watch so many people, because I do, and you guys make me hungry, FYI.
Excuse me.
They make me really hungry.
Yeah.
You guys are awesome. And then a lot of you will take time out to talk to your subscribers and let them know how much work it is, like how much it took for you to get from point A to B and what those steps are. It's real. You're on this thing amongst thousands and millions of people. Millions. Like, and you guys are still shining through all of that. Your energy is that awesome. I sound so corny. I'm like, your energy is so awesome. But it's the truth. That's what's inspiring to the rest of us that are trying to do this and to have fun doing it, because like in all reality it's work, but it's fun. There's also that fun side of it. And and if you love what you're doing, if you love the work that you're doing, that makes it better. That makes it even better. It makes it even easier to get through it all, even on the days. I think I seen one video where B-Love was talking about, you know, how you got to push through, even on the days where you might be tired and this and this and this.
Oh, wait. Jalil started a new challenge. What was it called?
That's another person, Jalil. Congratulations. If you see this video, congratulations. I seen you go from one place to another. Already told you from jump that you were dope. Jalil Odom, the Sprite Challenge. I just seen it and I'm going to do it. I just seen it, and yes, I was like, yes, go Jalil. Like literally back to back, I was seeing videos of everybody doing this and I was like, I'm going to do it too. I'm going to do it. Congratulations to you, Jalil. That's what's up. That is what's up. I seen him literally go from like one place to another, and he has an awesome personality himself. These are really good. I like them. Jasmine, my other little muncher is back there. You want to try the spicy chicken nuggets? Here, just reach over there. They're pretty good.
You like it?
Is it good? You want to take those? We obviously have plenty.
Yeah, we got a lot. And a lot of fries.
But yeah. So set aside from anything else that I forgot to mention, because
Actually,
that was something that I wanted to say. But it was something else I did and I completely forgot it. You need some sauce, Jasmine?
take it.
I see her finger like,
Take the sauce.
Get a sauce. Pop in and pop out. Really? She's like,
There's only 2 sauces.
there's not that many choices anymore. You've been getting it in.
Yeah.
I've been playing around with this one little sauce over here. But then when you're eating and talking to it.
Oh, yeah. Our shirts.
Oh, check her shirt out.
I'm just here for the food.
She's telling the truth. Coincidentally, we had happened to wore black and white shirts today, or whatever sayings on them. So that was funny. Mine says, "It's funny how you think I'm listening." And hers says exactly what she's here for. Yeah. You know what's so puzzling? The fact that I did really get dumbfounded and forget what it was that I wanted to say. Really is. Thank you to my recent subscribers.
What is in front?
I know a couple of people have hit me up about those sunglasses. And yes, somebody will have them. That's for sure. Oh,
Did you remember?
no, it was something I wanted to ask because I've been reading a lot of I've been watching a lot of videos, and a lot of people were talking about what they started out using before they started vlogging and all of that stuff. So I want to know, because I've seen so many. I want to know what is the best vlogging camera you could possibly use.
We've been searching like everywhere for them.
And when I do get one, I will do an unboxing. Right now, I'm just using my what is it, a 10S Max? Is that what you call it?
I think.
I'm so old. Don't judge me. Right now I'm using the XS Max, the 10X Max, yes. And so, it's not bad. But I've been really looking around for like a good vlogging camera. And I know, you know, some of them will have like the microphone input, some of them won't. You know, I'm not really big on the techie stuff, so I'm even like going so far lately as to say I think I will hire somebody. So even if you can recommend somebody, or you guys let me know what your favorite cameras are so that I can research them and actually look it up and find out if it's, you know, good for us. When I do get one, I will do an unboxing of it, because I'm super excited to get one. There's a couple of them, like the Mark II, the Mark III, the Canons.
I know one Tequila Sunrise was talking about.
Yes, my daughter wants the Canon. What is it? Is it the Mark II that she wants? Either way, she wants to change up her thing too, and I understand completely why, because the lights, things like that you get in the process, you know, some of these things are like really super easy, but when you want to upgrade the quality of your videos and so on and so forth, you don't want to just go out and grab anything when it is time for you to do so. And so I would rather know, you know, what's a good one. What else do we got here? More fries. Do you want some French fries, Jasmine?
So
Yeah.
pass them over.
We've been doing good so far over here with the...
I'm getting full.
Hi, Keita. I'm gonna shout out Keita and say hi to her. This is really good. But yeah, I just wanted to do this. I wanted to try the spicy nugget challenge. Well, it's not a challenge. It's not a challenge. I wanted to try it because I hadn't tried it before, and like I said, I see a lot of these videos and you guys be making me hungry, and I'm like, oh my gosh. Especially the ASMRs when they're eating the chocolate ice cream and stuff. And I'm like, you guys suck for this, because now I want ice cream. And yesterday I went out and I bought I bought like Haagen-Dazs bars and the little ice cream cones. What do you call the drumsticks or something like that? I forgot what you call them. But anyway, you know, it's not good when you're this fluffy. No, I'm just kidding. But still, but you guys are doing an awesome job, because yes, I find out, you know, what new things to try. And all of that. I'm gonna look for some more cool people to subscribe to. I just ate 2 jalapenos. Whoa. Okay. Didn't mean to do that. Okay.
Well, me and Jasmine, we are in the process of making a plush video.
Oh, you guys, my daughters have channels themselves, and
Subscribe to IPCI Bubblegum.
she stole my
really
gamer.
need it.
She stole my Xbox gamer tag. IPCI bubblegum. Because let me tell you guys, we play. We get it in with some Call of Duty. We get it in. We playing zombies. We do all of that. So she said snatch. So she snatched my gamer tag, and that is her YouTube channel. So you guys can subscribe to her at IPCI bubblegum, and I am watching. So you little creeps, don't do it to yourself. This ain't a party you want to attend, okay? So, anyways, thank you guys for hanging out with us. I'm gonna try to finish up here. It's really good. What do we have left?
Some more nuggets. I think those are more nuggets, and then a big thing of fries.
Comment below what your best ideas for cameras are. I just like reading comments, period. Can you just comment? I don't even care. Just if you want to go down there and tell me you just bought a new pair of shoes. No, don't do that. But thanks for hanging out with us, you guys. It's a short video. If you have not tried these spicy chicken nuggets,
We recommend it.
yes, highly. I think I recommend those over the if you're offended, you don't like burping and smacking and all of that, it's probably a little too late if you're watching this. But I assure you, it happens in these videos, and I won't stop. So anyway, yeah, try them. They're really good. I probably recommend those above the Impossible Burger. The Impossible Burger was good for a plant-based burger. I did not expect for it to be a decent burger, and but I recommend these probably more so, especially for my like chicken lovers. I'm gonna see what's.
Fast food lovers too.
Oh yeah. Also, I'm not opposed to doing collabs. I might be a little early. I'm just a baby in this thing, but I would love to collab with somebody. I would love. Yes, super pressed. I would sit down with some more of you guys. If you're trying to grow your channel like I am, or you already got a big channel, and I'll just sit my little teeny nobody self in a corner and eat the food with you, I'm with that. I'm with it. So yes, but thank you for hanging out with us, you guys. I love it as usual. Yes, I love it. So go get you some Wendy's spicy chicken nuggets and all of that stuff. This was banging, and the
jalapeno bacon cheesy fries.
little ASMR moment. No, I'm sorry, I'm getting delirious. I'm just goofy. This stuff will give you the itis too. The jalapeno. Little ASMR moments. Yes. The jalapeno french fries from Wendy's. And I'm going to let you guys go because, like I said, I'm recording on my phone and one of you are being rude. You see this video? One of you are being rude. I'm bringing up my phone while I'm in the middle of recording. Let me know a good camera to get. because I'm so on it and I don't want to just buy anything. It's been real, you guys. Smash that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified to be annoyed by me and my voice. This is my real talking voice. Anyway.
Oh, it's not.
If you want to see my goofiness on a regular basis, hit that like button and subscribe. I will see you guys in a bit. Bye.